Jessy is a very talented girl. She has a many friends and all her friends can speak in English very well. But Jessy has a problem. She cannot speak in English as well as her friends. So remain she always used to remain upset. And she always thinking, why are my English not improving? So friends, if you have a problem like Jessy, then this video is for you. So Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you friends? I hope you all guys are doing very well. So friends, in today's video we are going to talk about a very common topic. Topic is that how to learn English step by step. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, please watch the video right till the end, because this video is going to very helpful, very useful for every English learner who wants to be fluent in English. And if you are new in my channel, so please do subscribe my channel. So let's get into the topic. So friends, here I am going to give you some tips how to learn English step by step. Okay, my first tips is that speak in English from the first day. Yes friend, this is my first tips. You feel difficult to speak in English from first day? No, it is not difficult. You should choose a simple 2-3 word sentence in speaking terms, such as get up, brush your teeth, take your bath, make your breakfast, go there, come here, sit down, stand up, how are you, what is your name? These kind of simple sentences you should start to speak. You should start to practice it. Okay, so how can it helps you? It helps you, it gives you confidence in English from the first day. Believe me, follow my tips. It helps you, it gives you so confidence and you feel so confident in English from the first day. And my second tips is here. Okay, this is a practical. Okay, first we choose first group and here we choose second group. Okay, first group are those pupils who focus on grammar, vocabulary. एवरी टाइम ये जो फर्स्ट ग्रुप वाले मेंबर है ना, वो केवल फोकस कर रहे हैं अपने ग्रामर में, वोकेबलरी में. एंड द सेकेंड ग्रुप मेंबर फोकस ऑन लिसनिंग एंड स्पीकिंग. ओके, आफ्टर सम टाइम्स what are the difference of two groups? So there are major different. The second group people can more confident in English because they speak in English. So, and English gives you respect, English gives you love from others people. Believe me, this is a miracle of this language. So friends, this is my second tips. Okay, learn, speak out more. My second tips. My third tips is here, reading out. How can it helps you? Reading helps you to improve your vocabulary. Reading helps you to improve your pronunciation, and reading helps you to give support that you are not wrong how to speak in English. Okay, because in front of you there are some sentences, and if you are going to read out loud, you feel like that you speak in English. So this is very good technique to how to learn English, and this technique gives you more confidence in English. Believe me, you feel more confident after reading out loud. So this is my third tips. And my fourth tips is here, everyone focus on fluency. Everyone focus on how to fluent in English quickly. You should focus on how to speak in English, and you should focus on small goal. Okay, in starting few months you should focus to how to speak with your friends, with your family member, with your colleagues in English. Okay, so you should focus in simple goal. You are not focused how to speak in English fluently in from the first day. No, it is a ultimate goal. Okay, you should choose the small goal first 3 months, and then 6 months, and after that ninth month, and after 1 or 2 years you can achieve your goal how to fluent in English. But everyone start to achieve a goal in from the first day how to fluent in English. No one can fluent in English in from first day. Believe me, no one can. Okay, I am a beginner, I am a learner, and if you are new in my channel, then go to watch my first video. Okay, from the first video I have started my learning. I have started my English speaking journey. Okay, and today 10 days have passed how to speak in English. Okay, my journey. So you should take a small goal. Okay, my fourth tip is here, and my sixth tips learn sentences. Okay, because you don't learn words, because ये तो एक पूरा समंदर है, आप कितने शब्द याद कर पाओगे, कितने कर पाओगे ना. So you should focus to learn sentences. Okay, how are you, what is your name, and these types of sentences makes you so confident in English. So learn sentences instead of word. And here are my some few tips and tricks. So friends, I hope I gave you some tips and tricks how to learn English step by step. Okay, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comment. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram.